Evaluation for the phytoconstituents, phytochemical and pharmacological investigations of Diospyros malabarica, Disrausox, available in Bangladesh. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Diospyros malabarica is a prominent member of the Ebenaceae. In Assamese, this medium-sized evergreen tree is referred to as kendu. Many Northeast Indian ethnic groupings use the herb for its ethnomedical purposes. The following parts of Diospyros malabarica were used to screen phytochemicals both qualitatively, flavonoids, terpenoids, saponins, tannins, and quantitatively, total phenolic and flavonoid contents. All the parts of Diospyros malabarica were extracted in turn using organic solvents like petroleum ether, dichloromethane, ethyl acetate, ethanol, methanol and water in decreasing order of polarity from less polar to more polar solvents. These solvents included the root, leaves, bark, stem, ripe and unripe fruit. Additionally, biological activities that have antibacterial, antifungal, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory properties were investigated. The results showed that methanol was the best solvent for the extraction, followed by ethanol. It represented the highest extraction yield, 18.3%, the richest diversity of phytochemicals and the highest levels of total phenolic and flavonoid contents in bark extract, 602 plus or minus 0.001 micrograms epicatechin equivalents per milligram of extract and 455 plus or minus 0.6 micrograms quercetin equivalents per milligram of extract, respectively. Among various D. malabarica extracts, methanol bark extract had the highest in vitro antibacterial activity, 30.25 mm plus or minus 0.9, antifungal activity, 18.25 mm plus or minus 0.2, anti-cancer activity, 48%, anti-diabetic activity, 68%, and anti-inflammatory activity, 62%. For this reason, among other extracts of D. malabarica, methanol may be the best solvent to extract the most phytochemicals, promising antioxidants and in vitro biological activities from the bark extract. It may also act as a free radical rummager. Introduction. Medicinal plants have been used for centuries in traditional medicine worldwide. Scientists are now exploring their genetic makeup, how they evolved, and how they interact with their environment. New technologies like genomics are helping speed up the development of these plants to produce useful medicinal compounds. This research also helps identify new medicines from natural sources. A plant called Diospyros malabarica, found in Bangladesh and other regions, is gaining attention for its health benefits. It is a flowering tree with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and disease-fighting properties. Parts of this plant, like its fruits, bark, and leaves, have long been used to treat conditions such as high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. Studies show it contains many bioactive compounds, making it a strong candidate for herbal medicine. Ongoing research aims to better understand such plants and support their safe, long-term use in healthcare. Conclusion. Diospyros malabarica is a medicinal plant known for its wide range of healing properties. Research has shown that it contains natural compounds that help fight inflammation, bacteria, cancer, diabetes, and digestive problems. These benefits come from special plant chemicals like flavonoids and tannins found in its leaves, bark, and fruit. Traditionally, this plant has been used in folk medicine for centuries, and modern science is now proving its value. However, more research is still needed to understand exactly how it works, how to best extract its useful ingredients, and to make sure it's safe for use. Since the plant is also threatened by deforestation, protecting it is important. Diospyros malabarica shows great promise for developing new, natural medicines, and studying it further could help both human health and the environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.